Bururi wikendi-inĩ ya kiumia giukite tariki 14 na tariki 15 mashabiki na endi a muthako wa gonya magakorwo mari kiharo-ini kia Nyayo. Gũkũ arĩ kuo ngucanio mũrurumo wa mbere wa nditimũrano cia thĩ rungu rwa HSBC division ya kerĩ cia gonya igathakwo mabũrũri ta Brazil, Canada, China, Belgium, South Africa, Argentina, Uruguay, USA na Germany makenyitirwo itemi.
For the 72 happening in Kenya, I think it's going to be a big push for us, especially globally, marketing wise, tourism wise.
Riu nyirari cia bũrũri Kenya Lionesses ikiaga kuria maregu gwa Kenya ni meharĩrĩria-inĩ mao niguo gutigirira mashabiki a mucii ni makenereruka kiharo-ini kia Nyayo.
We are on our Tapa week. We've just returned from camp in Spain. Right now we are focusing on tactical areas that we saw that we struggled in Spain, and also in areas that we were strong at. So just trying to make sure that we polish up on all areas, and the team gets ready for the first leg of the 7-2.
There are a few upcoming players who are doing wonderful things, like Nila. She's young in the NYS. Also we call her a small lioness.
Timu ino na iria iri na mutukanio wa athaki ethi na aria mari na umenyeru munene itanya riao ari gutigirira ni manyitanira kurehera bururi uhotani.
Playing for the HSBC has been a dream for a lot of girls, and for you being able to play this game at home, it means you are carrying or you are fulfilling someone else's dream.
Every time nilikuwa naangalia wasichana wa Kenya Lionesses, nikiangalia height na venye mimi nakaa, nasema mimi naweza kuwa hawa. Kila siku nikicheza game yangu nitaangalia kenye mtu amefanya kama ni prop na mimi ni prop. Naenda na jaribu kenye amefanya na improve. Next time tena naenda nauliza coach nini sijafanya right.
Lionesses gucanio yao ya mbere magatungana na Brazil, guku aruna ao Shujaa makionana na Canada. Rivoti irira tukinyira kuma Kenya Rugby Union asigiti ciothe ni ireketie kugurwo kionereria kia a Kenya hari wendi wao muthako-ini wa gonya. Handu-ini ha metha ya mathako ya Inoro TV, njitagwo Mugure wa Karuiru.